How to write the electronic configuration for zinc by using of Maillard diagram. Maillard diagram can use to write electronic configuration of elements. For example, zinc atomic number is 30. Now we can use the Maillard diagram to write the electronic configuration for zinc. This is the Maillard diagram that helps to know the order in which electrons fill the orbitals within an atomic structure. The atomic number of zinc is 30. When we write the configuration, we will put all 30 electrons in orbitals around the nucleus of the zinc atom. In writing the electronic configuration for zinc, the first two electrons will go in the 1s orbital. Since 1s can hold only 2 electrons, the next 2 electrons for zinc will go in the 2s orbital. The next 6 electrons will go in the 2p orbital. The p orbital can hold up to 6 electrons. We will put the 6 electrons in 2p orbital and then put the next 2 electrons in the 3s. The next 6 electrons will go in the 3p orbital. And then put the next 2 electrons in the 4s. Since the 4s is now full, we will move to the 3d where we will place the remaining 10 electrons. Since d orbital can hold up to 10 electrons. Therefore, the electronic configuration for zinc will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon.